SmallRig Arca-Swiss to Manfrotto adapter plate. Unbox this. Voila, here it is. Okay, so it's a simple design here. So there's a 3/8 and a 1/4 20. This is supposed to fit some Manfrotto. I'm going to test 2 different Manfrotto plates sizes to see if it works on, which one it works on. And here is the Arca-Swiss. Let me do that to release it. Oh, is there another? Oh, so it's a 2-release system. Right there. So it comes with its own Arca-Swiss plate, and this Arca-Swiss plate has 2 1/4 20s. It tightens, but you can also release that for it to pop out. All my cameras, all my mirrorless cameras, I put them in cages. Half cages or full cages, and all these cages, different designs. This one, they have Arca-Swiss. And when I'm having Manfrottos, here's my most used Manfrotto head. This is a 701. They don't make this anymore, but I think they still make the size. So I can't really put, in order to put my mirrorless cameras on this 701, I have to screw that Manfrotto plate onto the cage. And I don't want to do that. I want to just pop it in and pop it out, but still have the use of this great, excellent fluid head, which is one of my favorite fluid heads. So the idea here with this plate is you slip it in, and it's supposed to take the exact same, oh, this looks like the exact same dimensions as a 701. I have a 501 to test, but here's the 701. There, it locks in. Lock that in. All right. Okay, so that's in there. So one thing you can do, or what I'm going to do, is just leave that in there, like this. It's locked in. I was having a little bit of trouble putting this in here, but there's this metal part. It looks like it's a lock to prevent it from slipping. So I just got to get it over that lock. And then it goes in. And I can tighten. And hit the release there. Oh, don't want to tighten too much. Lock that in, tighten, there you go. Okay, so now that's in. I can slip this in here. Okay, that's in. Tighten there. Boom, there you go. So now, on my 701, I have the Arca-Swiss, and if I want to remove it, now that I got it in, I know how to remove it easier. I just unrelease, release here, and do this safety, take it out. I don't think this is going to fit on the 501, but just to test, here's a 501 compatible plate. And yeah, the plate's much wider than a 701. So I doubt this is going to fit, but let's just see. And no. So it will not fit a 501. This is not going to fit a 501, but it fits the 701, which is what I'm going to use perfectly. So if you have a 701 plate for a Manfrotto, this is a really cool adapter.